Hey, you guys, and welcome back to my newly expanded garden. You're seeing me from a whole different angle today because we're on the other side of the yard because we're almost done with expanding our backyard kitchen garden. I'm so excited about it too. I feel like one more day in the garden to get the bricks laid out just right, and we'll be done. I can start planting. So that's what we're talking about today. That's what I'm going to be doing. I won't show you everything, and of course, I love my hyperlapses so you can see everything that's going on. But today's goal is to get the bricks up, to edge out the garden spaces, and then put the rest of the dirt in so we can start planting. So let's get into it, you guys. All right, y'all, it's really getting good now. So we got that second layer of bricks up for our trim, our edging, all the way around, and started on this side. I've run out of bricks and I'm gonna go pick up some more. And we have backfilled with dirt, and now you can see, the main reason I wanted to show you guys this is because you can see where the dirt up against the brick kind of forms a living wall. So that dirt on the one side is keeping things together, it's keeping things solid. And then on the back side where that fence is, again, it's keeping the edging that's on the back side of that fence in place. And again, over there is my straw. The straw, obviously, it's the straw with the soil on top. And there's Lola. Hi, Lola. Pretty girl. Um, so that's pretty much it. We are going to buy another, I think, a half a cubic foot of this professional soil mix. To top off this bed, we will have it tapered. So in the back, it will be exactly where it is, but in the front, it will come up a little bit higher. And then on this side, we'll be able to finish filling in. And way over on the other end over there, we're not planting anything back there behind there where you see the cardboard right now. So we're just gonna put topsoil in that area. And in the front area, we will use the professional soil mix again. And in these gardens, we're gonna do square foot gardening because they're 24 inches deep from front to back, from the brick to the fence. It's 24 inches. So we'll do square foot gardening here, and veggies that are more shallow rooted than deep rooted. And then of course we'll put, I'm gonna have some okra over here. Y'all know I gotta plant some okra everywhere I possibly can. So that's it. The one thing that I did want to share with you guys is that, this garden, actually both of our gardens, like, we learned a lot from our first garden build. And the guys are playing football out front, so excuse all the noise. There's lots of fun going on up there. But anyway, one of the reasons that we did no dig is because the next person that comes into this house, like, this is not our forever home. Our forever home is a tiny house on like a couple of acres of land. So this is not the end all be all for us. We will be moving on, and when the new homeowners come in, even if they love the garden, they can make changes to it if they want to. It's semi-permanent. It's not going anywhere until we want it to go someplace. Like, we can change things up. New homeowners come in. If they don't want a garden at all, they can take all of this down and just remove the bricks and use the soil for anything else that they want to. They can use the soil for erosion. Erosion is a major, major deal here in Houston. I don't know if it is where you are, but you can easily take that soil and use it to fill in gaps in the yard or to help with erosion. But for now, for us, it's, like I said, a semi-permanent way to have a garden. Like, literally, you could do this in a couple of days. And it's almost, not quite, but almost instant gratification, almost an instant garden. Now the seeds are going to take time to grow because y'all know I grow pretty much everything from seed unless I go out on a whim and buy some starts from a garden center. But this right here has cost us $35. We'll go buy, like I said, another half of a yard of professional mix. So 1 yard is $35. So a half of a yard is going to be what, $12.50? Is that right? I don't know if I did the math right. But anyway, basically, let's just say under $50, we have created 120 square feet. You guys, this is 120 square feet of garden space for less than $50. I have learned to open my mouth and ask people for things. The straw was given to me by a sweet neighbor that I've never met. I put a post on Nextdoor. She told me she had some, and she gave me that straw for free. I had neighbors donate some bricks and tell me where I could find free or cheap dirt. I ended up not needing most of that, but you know, people want to help and people are good and generous. So, you know, things don't have to cost so much. People donated all kinds of things, like I said, from straw and bricks to gloves and cardboard, like all these things. So that is just to show you that there's always a way. Where there's a will, there is a way. And ask people for things. Or barter, you know, say, I have seeds. I can give you seeds in exchange for some of your old dirt. And then, of course, you have to make sure the dirt is clean and it's good for your gardens. But you, too, can do this. You can garden for next to nothing. Even if you're just trying it out and you're scared it may not work for you, this is the way to do it. Low cost, no dig, and fun. Lots and lots of fun. So that is it for today, you guys. We're going to go ahead and finish up this garden, get things topped off, and start planting next week. So come back for that. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.